Hey, in this video editing tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to take a screen grab from your footage in Premiere Pro. So to start, if you grab your footage either in the source panel or the program panel, scrub along to where you are wanting to take the screenshot and press the Shift and E button at the same time. You can also click this export frame button. If you don't have this camera icon here, go along to the button editor, click on it, find the camera icon in your selection and drag and drop it into the panel of icons. When exporting the frame, you have a couple of different options. The first is to name your new image. Then the next is the file's format. I would recommend to stick to JPEG or PNG, but there's many options here as well. You can then select your destination to save the file using this Browse button. And then finally, if you're wanting to import the screenshot back into your project to use in your video, this is where you can toggle it on and off. Thank you for watching, goodbye.